Hey everyone, welcome to the January showcase video of OKR Management Sec. So firstly, let's try to understand what are OKRs. OKRs are an effective goal setting and leadership tool for communicating what you want to accomplish with the entire organization. The most leading organizations use OKRs to execute their strategy. Now coming to the vision of OKR Sec, we want to allow organizations to create and track OKRs within GitLab. And the goals of that would be launching MVC with minimal viable changes, doing it, getting more feedback from internal dogfooding, get external customers to use OKRs, and then finally meet the globally acceptance criteria for the feature and provide more value to ultimate customers. Let's have a quick demo of where we are today. So currently the MVC is available on gitlab.com/gitlab-OKRs project. If you look at the README, you can get all the helpful links on how you could use OKRs inside GitLab. And we also linked a feedback issue, and I would encourage everyone to provide your feedback here, which will definitely help us in making the feature more polished and more better. Right, and now coming to what all the features that are available today in OKRs, we do support title, description, assignee status. We support the linking of parent objectives so that you get the alignment view between objectives and key results. And we do provide filters in issue list, so you could go ahead and see your team's OKRs or other team's OKRs or OKRs owned by any person in the organization. You could also see the entire activity for an individual record in system notes, like who changed what and on when. We still have just basic commenting, and the threads and discussions are coming soon. We do support confidentiality, we do have OKR progress, and OKR progress is also automatically rolled up to the parents. Labels, so that you could group your OKRs into divisions, departments, and sub-departments. And you can create an objective from issue list, automatic progress calculation, which I covered. Now, here are a few things that are coming soon: comments, discussions, quick actions in record descriptions, reordering the child records in the hierarchy widget, and OKR check-ins, changing the record type from objective to key result, from key result to objective. We don't want to give start and end values. So currently in MVC, a key result progress is calculated based on the progress entered by the user alone. Now, by the introduction of start and end values, when you create a key result, you give the start value of it and end value of it, and every time you come in once a week or maybe once in 2 weeks, you give the current value, and the progress is automatically calculated based on current start and end values. Feel free to report any bugs that you have, and you can look at this particular section here to see the active bugs that we have at this point of time. Firstly, I'm happy that we have around 1,000 OKRs created. Let me just see if these are really the OKRs. Type is objective. Type is key result. Let me just hit a search. We do have around 1,000 OKRs created in the system. So thanks everyone for doing that. One of the basic feedbacks that I've received is that it is not intuitive at the first glance on how to create an objective. So you see a button on the right hand side which says new issue, and there is a drop down toggler next to it. Click this drop down, you'll see a bunch of options: new issue and new objective. On click of new objective, button changes to new objective. You need to click this and you'll see the objective form. All right. If we go back, so currently, to summarize what I've shown you so far, MVC is available for internal dogfooding, and we're seeing OKRs in action already. Please provide your feedback, because that will definitely help us to make the feature more stable and more polished. Now, let me just quickly cover the high-level goals for February. resolve tech debts of MVC. So to meet the tight deadlines, we made few compromises in delivering progress auto calculate on time. The primary tech debt there is currently the progress roll up calculation is synchronous. We want to make it asynchronous using a worker. I'll be doing that, and I've set an aspirational goal of publishing 2 blog posts around OKRs MVC to get more eyeballs on MVC. And I'll be proposing next iterations as well as detailed roadmap on how the path from MVC towards GA gonna look like for the next 2 to 3 months, and I'll share it with various stakeholders to get feedback and sign-offs. I also have an ambitious goal to reach out to 3 customers to demo MVC and see if they can use the product. That's all from me for January. If you have any feedback, feel free to reach out to me on Slack or email. Have a great day. Bye bye.